Hello guys, today we are back on another video with my budgies, and I have let them out. Both of them. I've been doing this every day. Sorry I haven't been able to make any other videos because I was doing my schoolwork. So yeah, here's my budgies, and I let them out, and I let them out every day now. For about 2 weeks now, I've been letting them out of their cage. It's like a daily routine now. So yeah, now just watch the video, sit in your seats, and yeah, that's all you have to do. And this is all they do when I let them out.
I can see all the photos. Is it back up already on?
Sorry about that. That's just my mom speaking in the background anyways. So. Hello, birdie. Hello, guys. Hello.
Okay, so now you two
You guys want to fly? Huh? Who wants to fly? Oh yeah, you guys want to fly. Sorry I scared you from the camera. This guy. Anyways, I'm 10 years old now. My birthday was on April 10th. Yeah. So I'm 10 years old. Yeah. Well, that was like a few days ago. So. How are you, birdies? Huh? How are you, budgies? Huh? Yeah, you good? You guys want to say hi to the camera? Who wants to say hi to the camera? Honestly, the camera here, you guys can do whatever you want. Yeah, we're birdies. Of course you want to say hi to the camera. There you go. And as you can see here, I added some new things to their cage, like new sticks again, and a ladder too. So, and yeah, Thunder and Frost doing well. Hello guys, don't get scared about the camera. You've seen this a lot of times. Thunder just staring at the camera. Well, Frost is just like turning his back on the camera. Okay, now he's gonna come up and eat his food. They're so used to this camera, they do all their stuff. Okay,
yes.
Like, look at these dudes.
Connect to that device.
Little birdies. Yeah, now they're just gonna eat their food. Oh, you guys gonna eat your food? Yeah? Okay, you guys wanna eat your food, whatever. Okay, they're eating all their nice, delicious food.
But I can't, it keeps popping up.
Okay, nice.
Okay,
why doesn't Thunder eat? It's so hard just to like hold up this camera.
I need
to look at that. Like, look at these birds just doing whatever. So, oh yeah, I also forgot to tell you that their glass was just right here. So it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna clean that. And as you can see, I cleaned their poo a few hours ago. And I also cleaned the carpet because it was so full of poo. And not so full. Hello! How's your door? Yo, look, the camera is so close to me. I'm gonna give them some Christmas. It looks close, but it's actually not. I was joking about that. Look at these dudes! I'm coming closer.
Go, plug into my computer.
Oh, okay. You want me to come closer so everyone can see me? Ooh, I'm coming.
It's like a power.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for what I did. I'm very sorry. Okay, anyways, like the video, and not get to watch it more. Like the video and subscribe.